Respected dignitaries, esteemed colleagues, and friends. I am Dr. Yogesh Kumar, Professor and PhD Coordinator at the Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. I am greeting a happy Teachers' Day to one and all. On this auspicious occasion of the Teachers' Day, a day which is dedicated to remembering the contribution of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the and the International Institute of Organized Research, that is ITOR, and all those who inspire through education. It is a privilege to deliver this keynote on the theme Interdisciplinary Research for a Sustainable Future. Teachers' Day is not just about honoring our gurus, but also about reaffirming our roles as a learners, knowledge creators, and guides who help society move towards a better tomorrow. And today, that better tomorrow is inspirable from the ideas of sustainability. We live in an age of paradoxes. On the uh, on the one hand, human civilization has reached unprecedented heights in the science, technology, and communication. On the other, we face some of the gravest challenges: climate change, food insecurities, raising inequalities, public health crises, and the erosions of natural resources. No single discipline, be a medicine, engineering, economics, or the social sciences, can solve these challenges in isolation. The problems are interlinked, and therefore our responses must be interdisciplinary. When we speak of sustainable future, we are not only talking about conserving the environment, but also ensuring social justice, economic equity, cultural preservations, and technological innovations that works for all. Now, I would like to focus on why interdisciplinary research is. So traditionally, academia has functioned in silos: physicist with physicists, and economist with the economists, and health scientists with the health science scientists. But 21st century demands the collaborative bridges among all these. So consider climate change. It is not just a matter of environmental science. It requires economics to understand cost, political science to design governance, sociology to study human behavior, and engineering to develop renewable technologies. Take healthcare. The COVID 19 pandemic showed us that virologists, data scientists, psychologists, public policy experts, and community leaders all had to work together to mitigate the crisis. Even education itself, especially in the digital era, requires inputs from the psychological, pedagogy, artificial intelligence, ethics, and sociology to be truly impactful. This is the essence of interdisciplinary research, bringing together multiple perspectives, methodologies, and the knowledge system to address complex real world challenges. Now, the role of teachers and the researchers, I would like to focus. On the Teachers' Day, let us remember the teachers are not only transmitters of knowledge but also the facilitators of inquiry. Interdisciplinary research thrives in an environment where curiosity is nurtured, questions are valued, and boundaries are questioned. The teachers and mentors have a special responsibility to encourage the students to explore beyond the boundaries of this subject, promote collaborations across departments and institutions, cultivate a mindset where knowledge is not compartmentalized but interconnected. In doing so, we prepare the next generation to be problem solvers, not just degree holders. Next, I would like to focus on the pathways for interdisciplinary researches. To make interdisciplinary research meaningful for sustainability, we must adopt the certain pathways. And what these pathways are, first of all, the collaborative platforms, where the universities and the research centers must provide the spaces where engineers can talk with the sociologists, where artists can collaborate with environmental scientists. Similarly, the policy support, where the funding agencies and government should design grants that reward interdisciplinary initiatives addressing the UN Sustainable Developmental Goals (SDGs). Then, if we are talking about the integration of the technology, where the digital tools like big data and simulation models allows researchers from different fields to work with shared data sets and common platforms. Community engagement, where the true sustainability is not achieved in labs alone. Interdisciplinary research must involve local communities, indigenous knowledge, and citizen participation. Then there is another component which I would like to add up here, that is the ethical foundations. The collaborations must be guided by values of equities, inclusivity, and the respect of diverse ways of knowing. There are certain inspiring examples. Let me share few inspiring glimpses of how interdisciplinary approaches are already shaping the sustainable future. So, first of all, I would like to take the green architecture. So, architects, the environmental scientists, and the material engineers are co creating building that consumes less energy, harvest rainwater, and blend with the natural ecosystems. Then the precision agriculture. It is the field where agriculture is taking multiple innovations. So agronomists, IT experts, and economists are working together to use drones, AI, and data analytics to increase the crop yields while minimizing the water use. Talking about the another sector, that is the public health innovations, where the doctors, social workers, nurses, the psychologists, and the data scientists collaborate to design holistic interventions for material and child health for the maternal and the child health in the rural communities. Talking about the renewable energy solutions, the engineers, policy experts, and the local entrepreneurs jointly develops decentralized solar grids, bringing the power to villages sustainably. Each of these examples show that when disciplines meets, the solutions emerges. So it is a call for the action that the that is from I provoke all, and I tell all the participants over here and the dignitaries that, dear colleagues and the students, the sustainability is not a distant dream. It is a daily responsibility. On this Teachers' Day, let us pledge to move from knowledge in silos to knowledge in the synergy. Let researchers embrace the collaborations. Let institutions break departmental walls. Let teachers inspire students to ask bigger cross disciplinary questions. And let all of us remember that the sustainable future we seek is not a gift, it is a responsibility we must collectively build. To conclude, let me leave you with a thought. The future will not be built by the brilliance of one discipline, but the harmony of many. On this Teachers' Day, maybe rededicate ourselves to teaching, mentoring, researching in ways that honor our planet, uplift our society, and secure a future for generations to come forward. Thank you very much for all of you. Have a happy Teachers' Day, one and all.